It's December, and that means Ask Dash. Let's get into another one. Welcome back. I just had to get settled back in. I'm going to answer the next question. So this next question comes from Elon Musk, M-O-S-C-K, Mosk. All right, I guess, you know, play. He says, how often do you clean your grills? I'm too lazy. Well, I usually clean my grills when they get too daggone dirty and I have to clean them. So when you say grills, I'm thinking you mean grills and smokers. But usually the smokers, I try to clean out the smokers in the summer. I clean the smokers, I won't say a lot more frequently, but more frequently than I can in the winter. Because of the fact that I don't have water in my garage, I have to run a hose from my house to my garage. And in the winter, I can't run that hose. So in the winter, they don't get cleaned as regularly. It has to be a really warm day in order for me, during the winter, in order for me to get that hose pipe down here. Or what I'll do is I'll get the fire going, get the cooker going, and I'll bring some water and just kind of cup and like clean stuff off that way. But deep cleaning, like with the pressure washer and things like that, that usually happens a few times, maybe 2, maybe 3 times between the spring and the summer, or between the spring and the fall. And then as soon as it starts getting cold, I can't actually use the pressure washer to clean out the cookers because it's just too cold. And obviously, you know, I live in Baltimore where the hose will freeze. All right, so here we're gonna answer another question. This is from my buddy Joe. He says, Jixer Joe 92. He says, favorite sport bike. I am a Yamaha fan, so give me a, well, you know, I'm a little bigger than I was when I used to ride. I used to have a Yamaha FZR 600. So, but right now, give me an R1. I mean, if money was no object, an R1. I did briefly entertain purchasing a, whatever the Sport Tour, it's like an M1 maybe, whatever that Sport Tour motorcycle from Yamaha was, right before I purchased my electric car. So like I said, I did entertain the thought of buying a motorcycle just before I bought the new car, but new car greatly outweighed the motorcycle. New car was. Thank you guys so very much as always for watching. Don't forget, don't be bashful, leave your question down below. Hopefully I'll be able to get to it and answer your question personally. Anyway, thanks again. I'll see you guys next time.